Hi, so my name is Mali Jabin and I'm glad to be presenting to you this episodes of mine. Something quite pressing. After some time of traveling a lot, I just thought I could bring to you something more like an adventure kit, starter kit sort of, where for anyone who wants to travel, you might want to consider a few thing or two so that you could include in your bag whilst traveling or going for that adventure. Your footwear. I prefer sandals over actual full-size shoes. The reason is simple. It keeps your legs aerated, and for instance, if you're going for hiking and all those kind of things, for some reason or two, you might be walking through water and then back onto the mainland. So sandals gives you that flexibility. You can get them wet and then they get dried as soon as possible when you're on land. And so for me, sandals makes the best fit. Recently, I'm using Crocs, which dries very fast because of the material used. So I don't carry slippers. So the Crocs just helps with indoors and outdoors. You are going to shower, there's no need for you to take out your slippers. You just get, the sand off the Crocs and then you enter into your bathhouse. You're done, they get dried as soon as possible and you are on the go.
Boy, it's me up late at night.